Hey there, beautiful souls! Did you know your brain can store up to 2.5 petabytes of information? It's like having the entire Library of Congress in your head. But sometimes our brains take a little vacation. Here's the good news. There are natural ways to support our brain health. We're talking about the power of herbs. Let's start with a true rock star in the herbal world, Ginkgo Biloba. This ancient tree, native to China, has been revered for centuries for its incredible health benefits, particularly for the brain. Imagine for a moment a majestic ginkgo tree, its fan-shaped leaves rustling in the breeze. It's a symbol of strength and resilience, and those qualities translate to its effects on our minds as well. Ginkgo is like a superfood for the brain. It works by increasing blood flow to the brain, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach those precious brain cells. Think of it as giving your brain a revitalizing oxygen boost. This increased circulation can help improve memory, enhance concentration, and even support overall cognitive function. Studies have shown that ginkgo can be particularly helpful for age-related memory decline. It's like giving your brain a little youthful boost, helping to keep your mind sharp and focused as you age gracefully. But it's not just for seniors. Ginkgo can benefit people of all ages who are looking to enhance their memory, improve their focus, and support their brain health. And the best part? Ginkgo is generally safe and well tolerated. You can find it in various forms, from capsules to teas to extracts. So, if you're looking for a natural way to give your memory a helping hand, Ginkgo Biloba might just become your new best friend. Remember, it's always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the invigorating scent of rosemary filling your kitchen. It's a smell that instantly transports you to a place of warmth, clarity, and focus. Rosemary, with its needle-like leaves and beautiful blue flowers, is more than just a culinary herb. It's a potent brain booster. For centuries, rosemary has been used to enhance memory and improve cognitive function. In ancient Greece, students would wear rosemary garlands in their hair during exams, believing it would sharpen their minds. And you know what? They might have been onto something. Rosemary contains compounds like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which act as powerful antioxidants, protecting your brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Think of them as tiny warriors fighting off those harmful invaders that can age your brain. But that's not all. Rosemary can also enhance memory recall and improve information processing speed. So whether you're studying for an exam, preparing for a big presentation, or simply want to keep your mind sharp, rosemary can be your secret weapon. You can enjoy the benefits of rosemary in various ways. Add it to your cooking, sip on rosemary tea, or diffuse rosemary essential oil to create an atmosphere of focus and clarity. It's a simple yet powerful way to invite the invigorating essence of rosemary into your life and support your brain health. Let's travel back in time for a moment to the heart of traditional Chinese medicine, where ginseng has been revered for millennia as a powerful tonic for the body and mind. This remarkable root, with its distinctive forked shape, is like a treasure chest of health benefits, especially when it comes to brain power. Ginseng is known as an adaptogen, which means it helps your body adapt to stress. And let's face it, we all experience stress in our daily lives. Whether it's work deadlines, family responsibilities, or just the constant pressure of modern life, stress can take a toll on our brains. Ginseng steps in to help your brain cope with stress more effectively. It's like giving your brain a soothing massage, helping it to relax, recharge, and stay resilient in the face of challenges. And when your brain is relaxed and balanced, it can function at its best. Studies have shown that ginseng can improve cognitive performance, enhance memory, and even boost mood. So, if you're feeling mentally drained, ginseng can give you that much-needed mental lift. It's like a cup of coffee for your brain, without the jitters. You can find ginseng in various forms, including capsules, teas, and extracts. It's important to note that there are different types of ginseng, such as Korean ginseng, American ginseng, and Siberian ginseng. Each type has its unique properties, so it's worth exploring which one resonates best with you and your needs. Imagine yourself in a tranquil garden, surrounded by the earthy aroma of sage. Its velvety leaves and delicate purple flowers evoke a sense of peace and mental clarity. Sage, derived from the Latin word salvere, meaning to heal, has been treasured for centuries for its remarkable healing properties, particularly for the mind. We live in a fast-paced world that constantly demands our attention, leading to mental fatigue and brain fog. It's like our minds are running a marathon without a break. Sage steps in as a gentle yet powerful ally, helping to combat mental fatigue and restore clarity. Sage contains compounds like rosmarinic acid and caffeic acid, which act as potent antioxidants, protecting your brain cells from damage. These antioxidants help to neutralize harmful free radicals, which can contribute to brain aging and cognitive decline. But here's the truly remarkable part. Sage has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function in people with Alzheimer's disease. It's a testament to the incredible power of nature to support our brains even in the face of significant challenges. Whether you're a student facing exam stress, a professional navigating a demanding workload, or simply looking to keep your mind sharp and focused, sage can be your secret weapon against mental fatigue. Incorporate sage into your life by adding it to your cooking, sipping on sage tea, or diffusing sage essential oil. Its calming aroma and cognitive-boosting properties will leave you feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to tackle whatever challenges come your way. Let's add a dash of vibrant color and a whole lot of brain-boosting power with turmeric. This golden spice, a staple in Indian cuisine and traditional medicine, is like sunshine in a jar, radiating warmth and vitality. Turmeric gets its incredible health benefits from a compound called curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Inflammation is like a fire alarm going off in your body, and when it's chronic, it can damage cells, including those precious brain cells. Curcumin steps in to calm the inflammatory fire, protecting your brain from damage and supporting overall brain health. Think of it as giving your brain a soothing balm, reducing inflammation and promoting optimal function. But here's where turmeric truly shines when it comes to brain power. It can actually boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. BDNF is like a fertilizer for your brain, helping to grow new brain cells and strengthen existing ones. It's like giving your brain the tools it needs to thrive and stay sharp as a tack. Studies have linked low levels of BDNF to age-related cognitive decline and even Alzheimer's disease, making turmeric a valuable ally in supporting brain health as we age. Incorporate turmeric into your daily routine by adding it to your cooking, sipping on golden milk, a delicious blend of turmeric, milk, and spices, or taking a curcumin supplement. It's a simple yet powerful way to invite the golden glow of turmeric into your life and support your brain health from the inside out. So there you have it, 5 incredible herbs that can help you unlock your brain's full potential. From improving memory and focus to protecting your brain from damage, these natural wonders are here to support your cognitive health and overall well-being. If you found these insights helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more empowering health and wellness tips. By incorporating these herbs into your life, you're taking proactive steps towards enhancing your cognitive abilities and overall mental health. Remember, the greatest wealth is health. Virgil. So, cherish your brain, nourish it with nature's gifts, and embrace the power of a healthy and vibrant mind.